Ninh explains, dealing with rejection. Nobody likes being rejected. For anything. Dates, jobs, dates, a mortgage application, dates, entering a country, dates, your friends excluding you from something, dates, you get the idea. Some of you might even start avoiding situations where you could be rejected for fear of being rejected. The reason why people hate rejection is because they feel embarrassed, insulted, disappointed, and shocked. But most of the time, it's because it's painful, both physically and emotionally. Now, dealing with rejection is all about perspective. Let's say that you've just asked somebody out on a date, and it didn't go particularly very well. Would you rather act like this? I'm so fat and ugly. Why won't she love me? I have such fat hands. Or you could just take a step back and say to yourself, meh, wasn't going out with her before I asked, not going out with her after I asked. Not really lost anything. And hey, at least I know now. Or if you really value yourself, you'll probably say something along the lines of, her loss. I've got a catch. The idea is to look at the big picture. Look at it positively. I'm not saying it doesn't hurt sometimes because, yeah, sometimes it does. But if you take a step back, look at the big picture, and change your approach to how you react to rejection, you'll lessen those negative feelings and it won't be as bad as you think it will be. Don't define yourself by being rejected. Just think to yourself that there's another opportunity somewhere else. Also, take the time to see what's good about yourself, as rejection could sometimes be a bit of a confidence basher. Eventually, you won't actually care if you get rejected or not. You'll just simply move on without giving it a moment's thought. When someone says no, you say, next, and smile, even if you don't feel like it. No, not like that. But trust me guys, fool your body into happiness and watch those feelings of rejection magically disappear. If you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here, follow me on social media there. And on a closing note guys, rejection sucks, not gonna lie. But it's common to be rejected in life. Everyone gets rejected from time to time, happens to us all. The best people in the world don't necessarily see rejection as a bad thing. And if they do, well, they put a positive spin on it. No big deal. Life ain't over. Let me know how you get along, comment section below. The best people in the world don't necessarily receive rejection. I have such fat hands. Why won't love? I have to cut out that last bit because I just couldn't get my sentence out. In fact, half of this film roll has actually been that last sentence in the closing notes. I actually did quite well.